Once Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he said to Sayyidina Ubay bin Ka'b radiallahu ta'ala anhu, what is taqwa? Sayyidina Ubay bin Ka'b radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, have you ever walked through a path, a thorny path? He said, how would you walk through a thorny path? With the old bushes and thorns all around. And he said, I would pull my clothes, and very carefully walk through a thorny path. He said, Zaq taqwa, that is taqwa. That is taqwa, Zaq taqwa, that is taqwa. उस हुस्न बर को वश का दिल सोखता वही है, शोलों से भी जो खेले दामन को बचा। उस हुस्न बर को वश का दिल सोखता वही है, शोलों से भी जो खेले दामन को भी बचा ले। You play with fire and you still save yourself. That is a man of Allah. शोलों से भी जो खेले दामन को भी बचा ले। It's easy to make claims. I am pious. Inshallah, when time comes, everything will be fine. I don't look at haram. I don't think about haram. I don't listen to haram. Making these false claims with people, it's easy. बहुत मुश्किल है बचना बादाए गुलकूं से खलवत में। बहुत मुश्किल है बचना बादाए गुलकूं से खलवत में। बहुत आसान है यारों में माअज़ल्लाह कह देना। बादाए गुलकूं, what is बादाए गुलकूं? Red sharab, red wine. You know a drunkard who loves drinking wine? When he looks at the redness of it, he enjoys it. बहुत मुश्किल है बचना बादाए गुलकूं से खलवत में। When there is no one else there, it's just you and your Lord in your room alone, and you've got wine in front of you, and you're a drunkard. You're addicted to it, and it's in front of you. No one else is there. If you can refrain from it, then you're a person of Allah. You see a beautiful girl on the street and you say, Ma'azallah, Ma'azallah, Astaghfirullah. You're looking at her and you're saying, Astaghfirullah. He says, बहुत मुश्किल है बचना बादाए गुलकूं से खलवत में. In solitudeness, in solitude, alone, when there's no one else there. बहुत मुश्किल है बचना बादाए गुलकूं से खलवत में. बहुत आसान है यारों में Ma'azallah कह देना. Oh, Ma'azallah, Ma'azallah, there's so and so committing. People do this in Ramadan, people do it. Easy to say that when it comes to act upon it. It is taqwa. Taqwa.